What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you can see behind me is a blue cateye we've been working on, and it's just about done. You guys are probably gonna see the last 5 video work of it. Next video should just be cruising down the road, and hopefully it gets to go home to the owner this week. So on this truck, we're gonna go with the parallel 4 with the bag on. Technically, it's on the axle still, it's just in front. What the fuck is Jared? Oh, shit. So to add some bracing to the back half, what we're gonna be doing is we cut some 1.5 quarter wall, nothing thinner than that, DOM, so we can go ahead and bend it up, and we'll brace the back half. After we bend them up, we're gonna go something like that. Obviously, we have to do some trimming in the front, on the back. You don't want to have those nasty ass gaps. I'll give you props so you can fill them in, but not good. This is what I was talking about, guys. You see how there's no more gap compared to how we had it before? This is what you want. A nice bevel so you can get a nice weld. Makes a big difference. Yeah, check it out, guys. We got the links on there. We're doing a parallel 4 on this one. We're gonna do a Firestone 9000 on it. Got a brace for the link set up right there. We got our fuel set to make as well, but it's coming along. Another thing I forgot to post, guys. You know, the interior is pretty much getting buttoned up, but I'm not gonna post how we put it back together since y'all sort of saw how we took it apart. What I am gonna show you guys is a bunch of these harnesses that I had to fix are right here. I would probably giving this guy a bunch of issues too. Y'all check this out. Customer stated that the truck wasn't running right. Yeah, I think this is part of y'all's issue. And then look at all these stripped wires from that rubbing outside. One of them is actually completely torn apart. Where's that? That one. Let's get it fixed up. Time to cut, add new wires, solder it, heat shrink it, and everything. I already know some of y'all are gonna hate me for this, but you know what? It's only a couple wires, so I'm not even gonna care about the colors because you're never gonna touch these either way. At least you're not supposed to. So you know, you get the wire hot, some solder, and some of that, and you're Gucci. That's insane, man. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but there's literally like 1 or 2 strands of wire left in this one. Yeah, check it out, guys. This is how the wires look after they've been soldered. Isn't it? Yeah, now you can tug on it and everything and it won't rip. And then what you do is you grab this bad boy right here. God, this is hard to do one-handed. You do that, and then you grab your lighter. And just like that, you have it all soldered and sealed. Y'all check this out. After doing some more digging through the harness, looking for more wires, look at this. This is exactly why I charge by the hour, because of stuff like this. Like, I gotta giving him a set price, and I've seen some of this stuff. I would have screwed myself over, but you know what? We're gonna get it fixed either way, and this customer's gonna see why he got charged what he got charged. Man, it's crazy, guys. Y'all check this out. They said that they were having motor issues. I mean, there's a bunch of wires that are all cut through, and that could cause some kind of shortage. Explaining why it might have an issue running right. Yeah, check out the Hydro Boost. The box. Everything nicely tucked under. This is a brand new power wire going to the fuse box. Tesla taped as well. And we're gonna put a junction box right here. Well, not a junction box, a jump post, so that if his battery ever dies, you know, this will go somewhere like right here, and he'll just be able to get to it like that without a problem. There you have it, guys. Fixed a couple of wires that were cut almost completely in half. Hopefully that will solve some of the issues that the motor was having, because this harness does go to the ECM, PCM, whatever y'all want to call it, and you know, all that kind of stuff really isn't good for the electronics. So we'll get this all wrapped up again, like with the Tesla tape again. This is the only tape I recommend, and we'll get it going. After it's all said and done, guys, we end up with a product like this. Yeah, take a look at it. We went ahead and made a canister instead of using the OEM one right there. That's the new fuse box. Everything's inside of it, just like your normal stuff. You just take these off and you can get to your fuse boxes. Another thing we started doing on these trucks with the batteries behind, we started putting a post. That way you guys can jump y'all's batteries in case y'all ever die. And then the location of the new battery. But yeah, no more wires everywhere. Everything's nicely wrapped up, fixed. You know, things aren't falling off like they were before. And that completes the front end. Also, no more camber, you know. On the back, it ends up looking like this. New brake lines, new fuel lines, because it had like a rubber hose style on there, which isn't good. It doesn't hold the fuel pressure that it requires. We did a fuel cell, a 444 compressor. You know, your airlift is a must. And this is what you end up with. I do apologize, guys. I know I didn't record the whole thing, but we got so busy actually doing the work that, you know, I just forget to record sometimes. I'm human too. I forget stuff. But like I told y'all on the last video, I do have more back jobs lined up that I could possibly show you guys the whole thing. I might just have to get somebody in here and do the recording because, you know, you forget. But hope y'all like it. Yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Show some love. Let us know we're doing the right thing. If y'all want me to keep posting,